Guys, today I'm going to walk you through the Car Maintenance Tracker, a Sinatra-based web application that allows users to log and track car maintenance. So we're going to start by signing up and creating a new account. We're going to need a name, email address, and password. Okay. So once you sign up, you're automatically directed to your dashboard, and this shows you any of your cars that you have listed in the system. So since we just made this account, there's nothing here yet, but we're going to start by adding a new car for John. So on this page, we're just going to enter some of the basic information about the car. So make would be Ford Probe Red with an automatic transmission, year 1994, and 23,000 miles. So now that the car has been created, we're redirected to the car details page, where we can see the information about the car that we just created here. If for some reason we made a mistake, we can go edit the car details here, or we can delete the car entirely. But we're not going to do that right now, so let's go back to the car details page. And in this section down here, we can see any of our maintenance records. So let's go ahead and log some maintenance. On the log maintenance page, you can either log from existing types of maintenance that are pre-built into the application and or create your new types of maintenance. So we're going to do both, logging from an existing type and creating a new one. So let's start with oil/oil filter. So let's say we changed oil and oil filter. We did this on May 25th, and we did it at 25,000 miles. And we also rotated our tires. We also did this on 25th and at 25,000 miles. So what this is going to do is that when we create this new log, this type, tire rotation, is going to be added to the list of maintenance types that we can select from in the future. So let's log those. And so now those logs have been added to our maintenance records. We can see here 25,000 miles, 25,000 miles, and 25,000 miles. So notice that when we created the car, it only had 23,000 miles. The application automatically checks to see if any of our maintenance records have miles that are greater than the car miles when we initially created it, and updates it as appropriate. So let's go ahead and edit one of these logs. Let's say we didn't do the tire rotation at 25,000 miles. We did it at 24,500. So there we go. So now we've updated that record. This is still the same, but let's say we need to delete one of these logs. We never actually did the oil change that we said that we did. So let's go ahead and delete that. So we've deleted the record, and it's automatically updated the number of miles that are currently on the car. Let's go back to our dashboard, and we can see our car that we added recently is here in our list. So we're actually going to go ahead and delete this car as well. And that's going to clear out all the information about the car and its associated maintenance records. The web application was developed in such a way that whenever you delete a car or a user, it's going to automatically delete any and all associated records. That way they're not just hanging around in the database taking up space as orphan records. So that's about it. When we're done, we can just click on the logout button here, and that will automatically end our session. Thanks.